Hello, thank you for being here. Today I am going to unbox the Gilded Seashells subscription box for July. I love this kit so much, and I want you to know that each of these kits is built from my heart. I spend months trying to curate what should go in them, what new technique we should learn. All of my kits are Zentangle inspired, meaning we're using the Zentangle method, but not in the traditional way of doing it on paper tiles. We are doing it on other things or with unique materials. So my subscription box is currently open. I have a few spots open. You can go to www.minsofzen.com if you would like to get in this month for the seashell one. And the rest of the year is also going to be amazing. Okay, this is a monthly subscription. This is the physical box. I also offer a digital subscription on Patreon. It would be Patreon/Minutes of Zen, and you can find my digital option there. The digital option has a suggested supply list, and then it always has a template or something to draw on, and it includes all of the video classes for the month. Okay, here we go. Gilded Seashells. Gilded means to add gold to something or to cover something in gold. Doesn't that sound magical? All right, I'm going to take out my little insert here because that has the information for how to access the videos. The videos are exclusive to subscribers. The month of May Florals, and Inktober, those videos are public. Those are open to everybody, but the other months, they are private and exclusive to subscribers. And the reason for that is because there are CZTs all over the world hosting classes in their home online, completing beautiful tiles, and I don't want to suddenly offer a bunch of free full classes and take away business from them. So always support CZTs. It is worth every penny to take full classes from them. But I do a couple of public boxes and the rest are all private. Okay, here we go. Gilded Seashells. So you're gonna open it up and there will be a little note for you and then some sort of extra packing material. I try to reuse packing material that comes in the boxes that I order. So some of you have bubble wrap, some of you have some brown crinkle paper, and some of you have the plastic backing from my sticker sheets. Either way, it's just a little bit of cushion for what's inside. And then we see this gorgeous tissue paper with the blue and white seashells. So pretty. All right, look at all these goodies. Of course, you get a bird art. This is the bird card, and I did gild all of these by hand. So they all have beautiful gold trim. It's so cute. They are numbered. I'm hoping to draw numbers this month. I always say I'm going to, and then I forget about it. But I would love to draw a couple of numbers this month and choose some winners. Not number 52, because that's going to be mine. Okay, so you got your little bird card. It says Seashells 2026. And then you've got a couple of fun things in here. So we have, let's see, a pen. You always get a pen from me. This one is the Micron PN plastic nib. However, it is dark blue. It's a blue black. Isn't it beautiful? I love this pen. Then you get a paintbrush. So you got a pen and a paintbrush in this kit. Then you also get, we'll put this aside for a moment. You also get this bubble wrapped piece here. I really hope these traveled well and did not break. Okay, in here you're going to get a shell and another shell and a large shell. So you should have 3 shells in here, 1 large and 2 a little bit smaller. So Beautiful. Got your seashells. Then you have, I'm gonna go in a different order here. You should have 5 or 6 sheets of this tissue paper. What we are going to be doing is drawing on the tissue paper, drawing our designs on here. We're not going to draw directly on the seashells. We're going to draw on the paper, and then we are going to use Mod Podge to seal it to the seashell, and then we are going to outline them all in gold. That will be how we gild our seashells. It's so beautiful. And then I have a little bookmark that I threw in here as well, because we're going to have some extra gold paint, so why not put some on a bookmark and do a little ocean scene on here as well. That's going to be really fun. And then at the bottom you have this little piece of board. Keep this, do not throw it away. It's going to be our mat that we use to draw our designs. Okay, I think that is everything. I'm so excited about making these little seashell trays. So after we Mod Podge them and we add the gold, you can use them for multiple things. So it can be just a cute little decoration. You can, put it in a bathroom, put it in a little collage of ocean items or beachy items, but also they can be used as trinket trays. So I don't know if you have seen that before online, where you can take a napkin and you can Mod Podge it or decoupage it onto the shell. And then you can use these to put in some earrings, your rings. My daughter had one that was larger, more the size of this one. And it came with a hand scrub. So it had like a little pile of hand scrub in here, kind of a grainy scrub with a little wooden spoon, and she kept it in her bathroom. So you could take the little spoon, put some soap on your hands, and wash your hands. So kind of fun. They're also wonderful gifts to give. So I love these so much. I hope that you do as well. Videos will all be released July 1st. I am holding the videos back until the 1st of the month, and then I'm going to go live on July 1st at 10 a.m. If you can't make the live, that is okay. You can follow along later. It will be recorded and released on YouTube and on Facebook. But I want to go live just to kind of talk about the theme, talk about the items in here, and just sort of get you in that mood of tangling throughout the month of July. So videos will release that day. I will go live that day. And yeah, it's going to be a great month. So thank you so much again. If you want to get this kit while it lasts, you can go to my website. Once the kits are gone, they're done. I do not remake these. So that's it, one time. All right, thank you so much. We will see you on July 1st. Thank you for following. Bye-bye.